Hello everyone, in this video I will show you an unboxing of every components of the Suptek control arm, following by some details of couple components. Finally, I will show you the final setup. Stay tuned. Instruction. First component, the pole. Just moving everything out of the box to start with. Get the instruction, very important. Of that. One pair of arm. This is second pair of arm, which I'm not going to use. Some of the components, small things. Four bags of this, some cable management, some tools, get this off. There we go, another pair in here. That's about it. See from the tool. That's all you got. Need this. Quite solid, very heavy. The arm is alright. Not the premium, but it's alright. The pole feels very nice. I believe it's 80 centimeter long. That's about it. Is the hole to slide in the pole. There's two components in here. The inner ring is plastic. Outside the whole component is metal. Not sure how that will hold. It's a bit stiff. This is not that stiff. Maybe just loosen this a little bit. So tight. Anyhow, leave it. Slide in. Tighten it. Same position. In theory, you can just slide this all the way down. Doesn't matter. In the middle is just this cable organizer. You can just slide it in beforehand, or I guess you can just pop it out, pop it in later. Yeah, it's a bit tough. Yeah, just pop it in later. Here you can see I'm putting on the second 27 inches monitor on the right hand side of the arm. And here's a stand from the desk with the running cable along the pole. Spread out to the left and right. Here you can see the pole is slightly bending forward, like 1-2 degrees forward, with these two 27 inches monitor. And that's the final setup. That's a great job. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in another one.